Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited for Chic on a budget. I feel like I haven't done one in so long. So first of all, I wanted to say thank you to glassesusa.com for sponsoring this video and for collaborating with me. They are one of my Chic on a budget finds. I've ordered all my glasses from them actually. All the eyewear that you see in my stories and ask where it's from, glassesusa.com. glassesusa.com. That was such a rhyme. I am wearing glasses, like eyeglasses, because I can't see from far. I don't wear those things that you poke your eye with. Emma, how do you call those things that you put in your eyes to make you see?
Binoculars?
What?
Oh, contacts?
Yeah, cool. Okay. Binoculars? So I don't wear contacts because I had a few unfortunate events where makeup leaked and just I don't want. I do love eyeglasses and I feel like it even upgrades my look. So my first pair that I've got are these little babies. These are very different from what I usually go for because they are larger. I like it. I like that it's a little clumsy looking. It's really cool. And being a nerd is really cool, so just embrace it, love it, and rock it. I love that they look dainty. Well, Glasses USA, first of all, is much cheaper because they're cutting the middleman for you, so you actually get a much better deal. A pair of glasses with lenses starts at $30. $30! You can just fill your prescription on their website and they just put it in. They put it in eyeglasses and sunglasses, which has been a revelation to me and saved my life when I drive. So these are my first pair, and then I got sunglasses. So all of them I put my prescription in them so I can actually see. I see you. I see you. I love cat eye and these are a dramatic one, so I'm excited to wear these. The next pair that I got, okay, this is actually my most favorite one because I actually I had a similar pair but I lost it. So this one is I wear it all the time. It's kind of similar to the first ones that I showed you, but they're more kind of appropriate to my face and still have the dainty gold around, which I like, make it looks not so overpowering. These are I wear them all the time I wear them. So Glasses USA have been pretty awesome to offer you guys a great deal on your first pair, and I'm gonna put a link in my description box and you guys can just check it out. So when you sign up, you'll get that special offer. Okay, the next pair that I got is this one. I feel like I'm gonna bring these back. Remember when the Olsen twins used to walk around these mega huge glasses? So I'm bringing them back, I think. What do you think? So I got 3 pairs of eyewear and 2 pairs of sunglasses, and these are a little more cat eye, not so round. I like to have different eyeglasses just because I can kind of see what goes with the look that I want. Do I want to look like this European student, or do I want to look like a librarian that will cut your throat, you know? Because these are, I think I want to look like a librarian that cuts your throat today. And this is it. This is my haul for the glasses, and I'm gonna move to the clothes. I'm so excited. So I've worn this basic white jeans and just a top to show you really the blazer. This is from H&M, and you know how much I love blazers. They're literally such an inseparable part of my closet. This one just screams spring, summer, and this color has been an obsession of mine lately. You can pair it with colors like pink and yellow and red. That blue just goes with anything. The next jacket is this one from Aces. This jacket is just a good camo to have. I'm loving the camo, but I really like the fact that there's flowers on it. I feel like it just kind of says more love, less war. I'm a peacemaker like that. And I love the fact that there's a splash of colors in there. You can really pair it with anything. If it's a pop of color like the red bag, you can put a pop of color in your shoes or other pants. It's just gonna be a fun piece that can go with anything. The next coat is from Zara, and as I mentioned, baby blues has been on my mind lately. This one is a really good find. The quality is wonderful. It's blended with wool, so you can feel how nicely that jacket feels, and also it looks expensive. So for me, I prefer to spend a little bit more than the budget You want to have like a good looking quality piece, and if it's also actually good quality, then win-win. The next outfit is from Aces. You've probably seen it on my Instagram photo. I'm loving this. It's such a comfortable set. It comes with a sweater that's a little cropped, and then you have the culottes that are made from a knit fabric, and it feels really soft and really fun to wear. This is just like when you're being a little lazy and don't want to wear jeans and you still want to be comfortable. This is the perfect go-to outfit. And I love anything that comes in pairs. Like this outfit. This outfit, you guys, has literally like rocked my world. When I saw it at H&M, I started shaking. I had a moment. Listen, it's very out there, but I am a big lover of good looking pieces. First of all, it's a blend of linen, so the fabric actually feels amazing. And I just love the amount of variations I can wear this. I can wear it as a dress, and I can have the coat be as a kimono with just like a cami and a pair of jeans. The pants are beautiful. You can pair them with so many different colors. There's reds in there, there's blues, you can put pinks in there, browns, and I can't wait to just rock this outfit and make Gary shed a tear because it's so beautiful. And that's it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you again to glassesusa.com for sponsoring this video and collaborating with me. Again, I love you guys. You guys can sign up with the link below. There's great features on the website. There's a lot of different selections. So if you are on the hunt for eyeglasses, you know where to go. Okay, guys. Love you.